So hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to enable Gemini AI on Samsung Galaxy S25 and other models. So step 1, you need to check your device compatibility. Not every device has Gemini AI. So ensure your Samsung Galaxy device is compatible with Gemini AI, which are some of them are Galaxy S25, S24 and select models with One UI 6.1 Plus and Android 14 Plus. Check for software updates via settings, going to software update, download and install. Now step 2, update the Google application. So open the Google Play Store, search for Google and update the Google app if an update is available. Also update Google Play Services and Google Assistant. Next one, enable Gemini AI on the Google app. Open the Google application on your device, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Settings and Google Assistant. Scroll to find the Gemini section and toggle it if available. Now set Gemini AI as default assistant by going to settings right there. Apps, choose default applications and digital assistant application, which is going to be the Gemini. So select Google or Gemini as a default assistant. Confirm your choice if it's prompted and save your choices. Step 5 right there, access and use Gemini AI. Now this should be activated by saying Hey Google or by holding the home side button. Ask questions, give commands, or use to help with tasks like drafting messages, setting reminders, or browsing the web. It's just like Siri. Now step 6, customize Gemini AI experience by going to Google application, the profile icon, settings, and assistant. You can change your voice selection, routines, and language settings for this one. By enabling personal results if you want Gemini AI to give you personalized responses. That's actually really fun. Now for the best experience, make sure your device has a stable internet connection, up to date across all Gemini AI features on the Google applications, and use voice training to improve recognition of your device. Moving forward, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.